Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. One very common question people are asking that are Islamic banks are 100% Islamic? Are Islamic banks are really Islamic? Yes, of course. Islamic banks are really Islamic and they are doing their all business as per the Sharia and Islamic rules and regulation. For your kind information, for all Islamic banks, as per the rules and laws, there should be a Sharia supervisory board. Sharia supervisory board is a board of minimum 3 members, and this is totally independent and separate body, which consider like a supreme power, a supreme entity or supreme board in all Islamic banks. In Article of Association and Memorandum of Association of all Islamic banks, it is mentioned there, and shareholders are agreed and they sign that the Sharia board, what the Sharia board will say, we will do, we will follow the rules, regulation, advice and fatwa issued by the Sharia board for this bank. Now the Sharia Supervisory Board is a board of 3 members, minimum 3 members, and the Sharia board, as per the rules, they are Sharia scholars, they have experience, they have knowledge, they are expert in Sharia, plus they know about the banking system and the business requirement and the country law. So sometime these 3 members, 2 of these 3 must be from Sharia side. Yes, the 3rd member may be technical expert, may be banking expert, may be legal expert. So, in all cases, the majority is from Sharia side. And as per the law, as per the principle, all documents, all transactions, all brochures, even leaflet, all things is presented to the Sharia board. And when Sharia board is giving approval, then the bank is going forward, the bank is going ahead. Otherwise, if there is any rejection from Sharia board, the bank cannot do this transaction. One other thing, in Islamic banks, there in all Islamic banks, there is Sharia department. Sharia department is of 3 different sections. One is for review all the documents, one section is for consultancy, to advise and conduct training for the employees and to advise them and to guide them, and the other one is secretarial job between the bank and the Sharia board. So all the things going around Sharia, and all the employees and all the management are responsible, they are bound, it is obligations, they have to follow the rules, regulation, advice given by the Sharia board. Then quarterly or 2 times in a year or at the end of the year, before issuing financial statement, there should be Sharia audit. In Sharia audit also, the auditor, Sharia auditor confirming, they are saying that yes, we audited all the transaction and all the profit coming to the bank, or they are mentioning the profit is a halal profit and this is generated from the Sharia compliant product. In case if there is any element of haram or any income from haram, yes, of course, this amount will go to a charity account. Islamic bank cannot show this amount in their financial statement as their profit. They cannot use, they cannot take any benefit from this amount. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn something new, like the video and subscribe the channel if you want to learn more about Islamic banking industry, Islamic matrimonial and family problems, solutions, and advice for an ideal life.